Come on. Shoulda had them apple bottom jean boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shoulda got low. Them baggy sweatpants and the Reeboks with the straps. Turned around and gave that big booty a smash. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shoulda got low.
I ain't never seen nothing that'll make me go this crazy all night spinning my dough. Had $1 million vibe in the body to go. Them birthday cakes, they stole the show. So sexual, she was flexible, professional, drinking Xano. Hold up, wait a minute, do I see what I think I will?
Apple bottom jean boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shoulda got low. Them baggy sweatpants and the Reeboks with the straps. Turned around and gave that big booty a smash. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shoulda got low.
Shorty, what I gotta do to get you home? My jeans full of guap and they ready for shows. Cadillacs made back for the sexy grown. Patron on the rocks that'll make you moan. One stack, come on. Two stacks, come on. Three stacks, come on. Now that's $3 grand. What you think I'm playing? Baby girl, I'm the man. I ain't been a rubber band. That's what I told her. Her legs on my shoulder. I knew it was over. That Henny and Cola got me like a soldier. She ready for Rover. I couldn't control her. So lucky on me, I was just like a clover. Shorty was hot like a toaster. Sorry, but I had to fold her. Like a pornography poster. She showed her. Oh, yeah, she was worth the money. The mama took my cash, and I ain't want it back. The way she bit that got her them papers, tattoo above her crack. I had to handle that.
Hands up la Costinești, bună seara doamnelor și domnilor.
Trupa Hands Up, am crezut că o să danseze pe melodia Hands Up, baby, Hands Up. Bună seara, doamnelor și domnilor! Valea la Mare începe la ora fixă, ora stabilită încă de ieri, cu o trupă de dansatoare care au mișcarea în sânge. Ai văzut ce este mișcarea aceea de club pe care îmi place mie foarte
după
mult?
emisie vă rog să-l învățați și pe Andreas această mișcare, pentru că îmi spunea aseară că vrea să o învețe și uite, n-avea de la cine, dar acum se pare că ți-ai găsit cel mai bune profesoare, Andreas.